Welcome. In this video, I will show you how smart suggestions work in iMessages on macOS 27. So there are plenty of different smart features available in iMessages. So for example, if we receive a message mentioning some time in the future, we can click on it and save a reminder for this event so that we don't forget about it. Or if you'd like to quickly look up some information related to the message that you received, you can use the new Siri AI. In order to use it, you're gonna need to activate Siri AI beta. Right now it is in beta in the settings, and then you'll be able to simply right click your selected message, then ask Siri about it, just like this, and wait until it gives you the info relevant to the message that you received. And besides that, we can also use the smart suggestions to replies. So in this case, we can quickly reply to this message without entering any text, simply by clicking right here and choosing our answer, and then sending it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.